Here's how we can transfer Google Documents to the files on iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos and guides like this one. So first of all, if you have the Google Docs app on your iPhone installed, right, you just want to get inside as usual. And the point is that you have all of your documents in here, but in order to move them from this platform to the iPhone Files app or transfer them to the other place, you have to at first locate that document. It might be of any file type, but when you click on the three dots, you can quickly notice that there isn't any kind of like download button or anything like that. Instead, the option you need to pay attention to is send as a copy. And that is the thing you need to click on, because this is going to sort of like export the document from the app, and it's going to give you the regular sharing options. And those usually include the ability to save the document to the Files app, right? So you should be able to find it, click on Save to Files, and then just find the location where you want to put it. You can organize it obviously the way that you want, and also you can create new folders for better organization. But as I say, the point is to just find it as such, and you should be good to go. So that is just how it works. Just, instead of clicking on download, you click on send as a copy, and then you save it anywhere you want. So let me know if it worked the same way for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next and future tutorials as well. So stay tuned, and I'll see you later.